The Manus AI is great for creating a document, analysis, code, research, or even these presentation slides in just a few minutes, and you just need to send a few prompts and AI will do the rest, which is really cool. But what if you just want to have a simple conversation or brainstorming session with AI without having to jump back and forth between other AI tools? Well, fortunately, there is a new feature in Manus AI called Manus Chat Mode, and basically you can have a normal conversation, normal chat with Manus AI, just like in ChatGPT or Gemini, and later you can actually turn that conversation into an agent or start the agents based on the information or conversation that you had with AI. So let me show you how you can access this chat mode on Manus. First, let's go to manus.im and then you can log in with your account. And by the way, this feature is available for all platforms, for web, for the app version, and this is available for free. You don't have to pay for anything here. It is actually unlimited, so that's pretty cool. So here I'm going to use this prompt. Basically, I want to know what is the best cat breed for my type, and I'm going to be using this prompt. Can you help me determine the best cat breed for my characteristic and lifestyle? By the way, I was using a tool on my computer called WhisperFlow to transcribe my voice into this text very quickly. You can also check the link in the video description. Anyway, to use the chat mode, you have to click this chat mode option. And there is actually this option for the adaptive where AI can decide whether it's going to answer that in the chat mode or in the agent mode. But honestly, selecting the chat mode is going to make the result to be much more reliable. And after that, you can actually upload some documents if you want to, but that's completely optional. Now let's send a message and just let Manus AI to answer your question. So from what I can tell, it is using various AI models from Cloud 3.5, Qwen AI, and also Gemini for some reasoning capabilities. So there are multiple AI models available in Manus Chat, and it is going to be used based on the difficulty of the question or task. Okay, so it is asking me some other questions, and honestly, I'm going to tell AI that I'm planning to be the first-time owner and I prefer cat with low maintenance and not making a mess. So that's my answer. And later, I'm going to show you how you can turn this conversation into the start or an OpenAI agent. Okay, so it is the answer. Now, if you want to start the agent, you can click this Start Agent button and just wait for Manus to think about it, and then it will create agent and will start working on your order. Okay, so Manus will continue working after your reply. Okay, it is probably still asking for more details. Also, I guess I have to tell info like, it's anything, it's up to you. Just give me just process the request. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time answering the question, so hopefully Manus will just start the agent. And okay, understood open the suggestions, I will make some reasonable assumptions. Oh, okay, there you go. Now it will start the agent and it will start doing the research and do all sort of agentic behaviors, and will just show me the results in just a few minutes. Okay, about 2 minutes later, this is a document that Manus just created for me based on my previous conversation with this AI. Now, actually, you can always ask Manus to create maybe a website, a research document, or even presentation. So just tell Manus AI about the kind of document or output that you want it to generate in the agent mode. But that's basically how you can use Manus to start a new conversation without having to start with the agentic mode. Just use the chat mode to have some brainstorm ideas, and then you can turn into the agent mode to execute that ideas. So that's basically how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great